Hi YouTube, I just found this electric blanket heater controller in the garbage can, the electric garbage can, so thrown away, so I was a bit curious, you know me. So I decided to have a check. It's KDA6 made in China. So what we got here is the main coming in here, L, neutral here, and L goes through a fuse here, and then we have the switch that turns this on, the circuits. And I found, try to search for this IC GV766-1, but I couldn't find it, so I found it, but there was some Chinese signs, you know, I can't read that. So no info about this one. However, we can see that we have I found these are triacs. So these are used for regulating AC current, AC voltage. And I think up here we have some sort of, I think the main thing goes on AC here actually, but they are rectifying it for the diodes here. So I haven't figured that one out. We've got a big, it's 1 UF capacitor here. So you can see that this bottom here, this is cancel, and this is time set, and this is temperature set. So my guess is that this is some kind of timer, or it measures the voltage coming back here. This one sends out regulated AC to this one, who goes to the blanket, and then we have some kind of sensing if what comes back, because I'll show you more detail here about the back. So the mains come in here and goes, this is the fuse on the other side, and then we have the switch that connects these two, and then we have AC going in this is Sweden, so we have AC 230. It goes all the way around here, so it's an AC controlled circuit. And when you push this button, AC comes through here and goes to the, this is the IC circuit, this one. So when you push cancel, it tells the IC circuit. When you push time set, this is the time set button, it also tells the IC circuit. So anyway, we have here the triacs. They seem to be in series. So this is the ones, and we have the gate. Middle one is the gate that opens or closes it. So we got one gate here and one gate there. And then for some reason they seem to be rectifying it with these diodes. So we got some DC current on this side. Voltage, yeah, that's my guess at least. I haven't, I've just looked at this briefly, so please tell me in the comments what do you think about it. It seems, for me, it seems to be a pretty simple circuit. I like that. Pretty easy to replace parts, and as you can see, we seem to have this is the neutral side. So I don't really know what this looks like, a resistor, right? So I guess it burns off excess or something. yeah, give me a note in the comments. This is the Rubicson, but I've seen it sold the same, exactly the same as sold as König and other brands. So let me explain again. I think these are rectifiers, I think you say so. We call them diodes here in Sweden, and they get DC. The Tri-X gets DC to the gate, so it only opens on the upper curve of the AC curve. So basically, what I'm summarizing is that these are going to the blanket, and I think this is measuring the blanket's resistance or something. So the voltage to know if there are a blanket there or if it's not. I'll show you later. These are flashing when you don't have anything connected here and you put temperature set. So here I've connected the main power, so you can see right away this is how it starts up when you turn this on. You get 230 here. It's a bit flickering, but both of these turns out 230 AC. When I turn on the temperature set, I have to be really careful now that it's high voltage here. Still has 230, and the flashing means that something is wrong. I can't I tried time set. This is switch time set, but I can't get nothing to happen. It might be broken even, but I don't think so, because it puts out 230 here and it's probably regulated, and this is the timer that keeps the temperature and regulating the Tri-X. My guess. I can push. This is the cancel button, and it starts. Doesn't blink anymore. Flash. So I put it on DC now, and this is supposed to be neutral. And let's see what we get after the diodes. 102 volts on both sides of the diodes. So this is DC. The Tri-X here are called MAC97A6. MAC97A6. Can you see MAC97A6? And these are called A1015. These are transistors. And the big circuit here, KV766-1. If you know anything about it, tell me. Data sheet, please. What else? Well, they use these screws. I don't like that. They're a hassle to get out. Gotta get some tool for this. If you measure the DC here, you get 20 millivolts. So no DC going out. See? It's a pure AC regulator. And probably you put some resistance cable here that adjusts the resistance to the temperature. So when it gets hotter, you get more resistance. So got this one on neutral, and I think this is the power source for. Starts to flash. You see? Yeah, it started flashing. But you have 230 here. Get 230 there also. 230. But I guess you got a voltage drop over the diodes here, or the diodes. So it's pretty, I must say it looks pretty smart. I'm not the man to judge this, but I do it anyway. I like the simplicity. You keep everything at pretty much AC, except they do have diodes here too, and they got. Let's see if I can touch now. I don't. It's scary touching stuff when it's, yeah. So I don't. The green ones probably tells that the temperature is set. You have it's time. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, and 8 hour. Okay, so this tells the time, and it's the IC that sets it. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all I had for this time. As always, like and subscribe if you get something out of this video. Keep it up. Bye bye.